Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2023. Napakabilis ng panahon. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, and please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let us see, Pisces. What's coming to you ngayong November 2023 for Pisces. Okay. Pisces. So this is your energy, High Priestess. You're going to be more deeply connected to your instinct, to your intuition. Some of you, you will gain a lot of wisdom, no? Kaalaman, karunungan sa mga binibigyan nyo ng focus at attention or bibigyan nyo ng focus or attention ngayong November. Some of you may mga studies, no? Meron kayo pag-aaralan or sarili nyong research, no? With a Page of Swords here as your challenge, maaring you're looking for some answers, no? Meron kayong nahanap na sagot sa mga tanong mo about life, about your situation, na maaring maging mahirap para sa'yo na hanapin yung sagot na yan, maging challenging for you. But ang importante is, you are doing your best. You are doing what you need to do, no? Siyempre, halimbawa, gusto mong matuto, gusto mong malaman. Let's say, for example, you want to learn how to drive a car, no? So, siyempre, kahit gusto mo, kung di ka naman talaga magte-take ng action, di ka mag-enroll sa isang driving school, or you will not let anyone help you to teach you how to drive, hindi mangyayari yun, diba? So, it's about taking action. Maaring yun yung maging struggle mo sa mga plano na gusto mong gawin. So, you have to be committed. Ayan, yung sense of commitment mo ang challenge for you ngayong November. And then, as an opportunity with the Five of Pentacles, may mga, yung iba sa inyo naka-experience kayo ng struggle sa finances ninyo. But, ngayong November, I think you will be able to find a solution kasi meron ditong opportunity for you to expand or try new opportunities when it comes to earning money, no? Oo. And then with the Two of Cups, as a blessing, pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng business partnership with other people or merong loved one, mahal sa buhay, yung magiging katuwang mo sa pagpapalago ng iyong kabuhayan, ang iyong finances. And yung iba naman sa inyo, Pisces, I'm seeing a romantic connection coming in for you ngayong November as a blessing, no? If you are looking for a romantic partner. So, merong possibility yan ngayong November. So, let us clarify your cards. What is the High Priestess here? You have the Eight of Wands. Marami kang messages na marireceive. This can be literal na mga messages like exchange of messages with someone or mga inquiries if you have a business. And also, maaring metaphorical, pwedeng spiritual messages because of the energy ng High Priestess dito. So, I think itong mga messages na to, ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng clarity about your situation, yung mga gusto mong alamin, matutunan, matuklasan. What is the Page of Swords? You have the Six of Swords. Maaring meron kang mga plano ngayong November na maaring mag-struggle ka kung paano mo to sisimulan. Maari kasing yung iba sa inyo is may pagka-perfectionist, okay? Minsan kasi, hindi natin ginugo ang isang bagay kapag nakikita natin na hindi talaga siya yun yung gusto natin. Okay? So, maaring magkaroon ng delay or stuck na energy for you ngayong November if you will not make a decision. So, it's up to you kung gaano mo or kung gaano ka magtatagal sa isang decision making ngayong November. Kasi syempre, the more na dinidelay mo yung decision, wala kang kumbaga hindi ka makakapag-expect ng solution or let's say results, no, in the future. So, let's see what is the 5 of Pentacles as your opportunity. Oh, you have the Chariot. Yeah, so some of you, no, makaka-move on na kayo. Raos na sa challenging situation sa finances ninyo. Okay? So, kung dati problema kayo, maaring may imbalance sa finances ninyo. But with the Chariot as an opportunity, kasi this is about success, movement, going to the direction na kung saan nandun yung attention mo. So, like what I mentioned kanina, no, kung hindi ka makakapag-decide, may stuck na energy. So, you have to make that decision and trust your instinct. Merong mga divine messages for you na magbibigay sa'yo ng signs na, oh, dito ka, ito yung gagawin mo. And if wala ka nakikitang sign, you ask. Ask for a sign. So, example, meron kang gagawing project, sasabihin mo, universe, is this going to be successful for me? Ito ba yung path para sa akin? If yes, ito yung kailangang mangyari. Or ito yung kailangang hindi mangyari. And then, wait for the universe to respond. Kasi yun yung sagot niya sa tanong mo. So, what is the 2 of Cups? You have the King of Pentacles. So, some of you, business partnerships, collaboration with someone, pwedeng sa trabaho. I also see an admirer sa work. This can be your boss, no? Oo, maaaring merong special treatment. If this boss is wala namang issue, walang sabit, no, and magbibigay sa'yo ng, magpapakita sa'yo ng interest, then why not, no? Lalo na kung interesado ka rin. And then, this is your finances, Queen of Pentacles energy. I see a lot of you na provider sa family, yung iba sa inyo breadwinner, and you are someone na who really takes care of the family, especially financially. Okay? I think, ano man tong mga pangangailangan ninyo sa family ninyo, or pangangailangan mo, no? Financially, kayang-kaya mo yang i-provide. Okay? And then, let's clarify this. What is the Queen of Pentacles? You have the King of Swords. So, when it comes to managing your kaperahan, it seems na you know what to do, no? Maaring ngayong November, mas magiging maingat ka rin sa pag-handle ng finances mo. Hindi na kagaya dati na parang bahala na kung saan na, kung ano na yung gagawin mo. It doesn't matter. But for you, ngayong November, you know what you want, no? And alam mo kung saan mo i-guide yung sarili mo. Saan ka mas mapapabuti. So for your career, you have the 7 of Wands. There are some competition na nakikita ko sa career mo. Maaring merong mga taong kumbaga parang hindi naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, or china-challenge ka, or they try to bully you, or they try to intimidate you. Okay? For as long as you believe in yourself, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-bow down sa kanila. You also have the Page of Cups. I think kasi, they see you as someone who's very creative. And yung creativity mo, hindi nila mapantayan. Kaya yung iba is, parang kina-question yung galing mo. But sa totoo lang, nakikita ka sa nila yung potentials mo. And then, this is your love life. You have the King of Swords. And then, the 2 of Swords. I think yung iba sa inyo kung kayo ay single, hindi kayo nagmamadali sa pakikipagrelasyon. Hinihintay nyo kung sino yung tao na praktikal na pwedeng maging karelasyon ninyo. And I think, hindi rin kayo yung tipo na, yung mga single hindi kayo yung tipo na proactively naghahanap ng romantic partner. But if you are in a relationship, I think you will have to make a decision dito sa connection ninyo. Lalo na kung hindi na ganun ka-exciting yung relationship ninyo na parang may kulang or parang you feel like wala nang passion. So, magde-decide ka whether you will continue this relationship or not. May harvest. So, ngayong November, yung mga binigyan mo ng effort, yung mga trinabaho mo in the past months, makikita mo na yung resulta niyan. Yes, because it is harvest time for you, Pisces. Wow, new beginnings, new opportunities for you na nag-open up. Okay, mga bagong susubukan, gagawin, i-explore ngayong November. Let's see what else. Authenticity. Yes, this is being true to yourself. I think it doesn't matter, no, para sa inyo, whether may mga taong tanggap ka for who you really are or hindi, no? For you, as long as you are being true to yourself, it doesn't matter. Gusto mo na what you are putting out there is true, is authentic, no? Yung totoo talaga. And I think, iba sa inyo, you're going to express your authenticity through art or through your creativity. So, let's see what else. Pisces. For Pisces. Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Yes. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina sa beginning pa lang ng reading, to connect your instinct to your intuition because yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng guidance. New rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. Yun. Yung mga pagbabago, magtiwala ka lang daw and be adaptable sa mga changes na yan. Because of this new beginnings, pwedeng talagang may new chapter of your life na nag-open up, na i-explore mo ngayong November. You don't need someone else to fix you. O yan, pagiging independent, no? And accepting yourself for who you really are. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo. Mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.